Look what came in the mail. I am super excited. It is our butterfly habitat cage, and it's collapsible as well as it's a pop-up. Whoa! That was pretty cool. So it is really good for butterflies. Now, we've raised Monarch butterflies, and so this is super exciting because this is a much bigger cage than what we had before. And let's check this out. You need to pull this out. Ta-da! So this is made of fine mesh, and there's a plastic on this side. So if you want, you could have it on the bottom, and then the plastic will be on the bottom for a protective layer for if you want to water, or you could flip it over and the plastic can be on top so you can have a viewing platform area. Now it has zipper compartments, and let me show you those. It has dual zippers, so you could zip it on either side, and it's so you can easily put more milkweed plants in or to clean it up, because the caterpillars do a lot of excrements. It also has two handles so you can transport it so you don't disturb the butterflies. And this is really neat. I am super excited to use it. Okay, so we don't have any butterflies right now, but we do have some butterfly eggs on our milkweed. And what we're gonna do is you carefully check the underneath of milkweeds, and you'll see a little bit raised of an egg. And I'm gonna show you right now. It's clear, so sometimes they're hard to see. Found one. Sometimes you find a bunch. Oh, there's another. Well, we found two. I'm gonna show you a close-up of what the egg looks like. And you see how it is raised, and that's an egg. Okay, I'm gonna go around my garden and see if I can find more. I'll be right back. Yay, so I found a few more, and we're lucky with this one. There's multiples. Okay, now I'm gonna put these in. First, the eggs are gonna hatch, and they're gonna be caterpillars. And after the caterpillars keep growing and eating all this milkweed, they will turn into a chrysalis, and they are gonna come to the top and make a web-like hanger for them. And then after maybe about 9-10 days, the chrysalis hatches open and a beautiful monarch butterfly emerges. And it's just beautiful and breathtaking. So definitely a fun project to do for young and old, you know, for all ages. As you can see, we put the leaves with the monarch eggs on the bottom and with the egg side up. And in a few days, we're gonna see some caterpillars emerge. So I'm really excited about this, and I definitely recommend this product.